Let us I recall once again what is integration by parts. Integration of fx gx dx is equal to fx will be out, integration of gx will be in, dx minus integration of differentiation of the first function into integration of the second function, the product of this again integration. If you solve like this, the integration by parts over. Let us see the next question, which is very interesting and important question. This is I is equal to integration of cos log x with a base e dx is how much? Now this is not a product of two function. Don't confuse. This is cos x log x with base e means this is not a product of two function. That is wrong assumption. Cos theta or cos t should be there. Cos angle is mentioned log x with base e. That means this is a composite function. So every composite function you have to convert into product of the function, then you have to do integration. So this is a composite function. Let us take this under bracket log x with base e is t. Then what I get here, exponential function, t carries here, x comes here, so x is equal to e power t. Now do differential this of this. X differential is dx, e power t differentiation is e power t dt. Means the dx is equal to, you got e power t dt. Are you getting it? I is equal to integration. I can write this is cos and this log x with base e as assumed as t. So cos t I'll get into. Now you get here dx. The dx is you got e power t dt. So dx is converted into e power t dt. Now this composite function as expressed is product of two functions. I hope you understand. I took this part is t, I converted exponential, applied differentiation. So dx is equal to e power dt. So dx I converted and this is I made t. This is the got as product of two functions. Now we got in by parts form, so we can do it. As per the I late, exponential is last, so second function, and trigonometry is the first function. Now I is equal to integration of cos t e power t dt is, the first function will be outside, integrate the second function e power t dt minus integration of differentiate the first function and integrate the second function. The product should be integrated. So I is equal to cos t, integration of e power t is e power t minus differentiation of cos t is minus sin t and integration of e power t is e power t dt. So minus into minus plus. I is equal to cos t e power t plus integration of sin t e power t dt. See here, this is again you got product of two functions. Means you have to do again by parts. This is what the importance of this question. Whenever you have exponential function with product of other function, trigonometry, most of the times you have to do again differentiation, again integration. So let us keep this is the whole thing same, and now do this one as by parts. Again the first function is sin t, e power t is the second function. Sin t will come out and we integrate the second function e power t dt minus integration, differentiate the first function and we integrate the second function dt whole t. So cos t e power t plus, this is sin t, integration of e power t is e power t minus differentiation of sin t is cos t e power t dt. Now just see here, this what magic happened here. Integration of sin t you got cos t, differentiation of sin t you got cos t, integration of e power t, so the product is got cos t e power t. This is the question itself. Means this is I can write I. See, this is the question itself. I is equal to this we called. So we got that. So again we can write this is I. This minus I send this side, so I'll get plus 2i is equal to cos t e power t plus sin t e power t. Then I is equal to what? This 2 send this side divides. So the I is equal to e power t cos t plus e power t sin t divided by 2. Then I is equal to, wherever you have a e power t, that I can write x, wherever t is there log x with a base e. So replace that. E power t is x, cos t is log x with base e, plus e power t is x, sin t is log x with a base e, divided by 2 plus c. So I is equal to what you got, x if you take common, x by 2, x log x with base e plus sin log x with base e plus c. So option A is the right answer. Thank you so much.